Hi there, Agile people. Welcome to the bonus part of Scrum in general. In the following section, we're going to discuss how to get started with Scrum. Getting started, the team. First thing you will need to do is to convince the team that Scrum is something that you really need. People don't like changes. They don't like to come out of their comfort zone. That's why you will need to sell this idea of using Scrum to your team and get them excited about it. Tell them about the stats and facts like the one I mentioned in the beginning of the course about the 300% increase in productivity. Or just Google some other cool research findings. Then you will need to provide the introductory training to the team or just let them go through this course to learn about the basics. Try to convince all your teammates that this is a good idea to try Scrum. It would be perfect if the whole team supported you, but it happens very rarely. Usually there are people who will be always skeptical about everything. That's why you have to make allies within the team. You will need at least a couple of people in your corner, so it will be easier to work during the first sprint because there will be less resistance from the team side. Getting started. Tasks. The main principle of your work approach should be divide and conquer. It means that complex tasks should be broken into smaller ones, and problems that take a lot of time to solve should be divided into sub-problems which can be solved relatively quickly. A person assigned to a task should be able to complete it within one sprint. If a task takes longer than one sprint, it should be broken into smaller tasks or subtasks. Ideally, you should have assignments that a team member can complete in 1-2 days. Visualize the status of tasks by creating a task board, available to all team members at any time. Use Agile digital project management tools like Trello and Jira, or at least a whiteboard to track your progress. Getting started. Improve. As we discussed before, Scrum framework is all about making experiments and trying to improve. So you need to follow this approach as well. As soon as you get new knowledge, you should discuss with the team how you can use it to become better. You make a decision, perform an experiment, and you learn from it. If it was successful, great, you became better. If it failed, you learned that it doesn't work for you, but it should help you to avoid certain mistakes in future. And to make it all work even more effectively, be very transparent. Transparency is the key because people make better decisions when they see the full picture. And the last but not the least, here are 2 out of many good reasons why to insist on continuous improvement. Scrum encourages teams to inspect and adapt their processes in order to become better. It allows them to become faster, which means they can produce more in less time. Also, Scrum promotes team decision-making and embracing team members' talents, which makes them feel more valued, therefore makes them happier. And working with happy people will make you enjoy your work and life much more.